is Lex. I'm the assistant production manager over here. And today's objective is a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys because we've been backed up and we've been working the hardest to try to get everything that you guys asked for. Hair mix. And that's basically it. And we're gonna keep working hard to make sure everybody gets their order on time. And guess what? We got it.
How many batches you guys making?
We're trying to make at least 6 to do. At least 6 batches.
Why I formulated that is because I realized you need to have something to hydrate your hair before you moisturize and put butters, because that was actually the last thing I did in my hairline. I had the hair butter first, the hair oil, then I realized somebody needs to spray something before they put it, and I didn't want them to go have to buy from another brand. So that's how I formulated the herbal hair mist. And I added the salt in it because salt is good for your hair. And I don't think I've really seen any other companies put salt in their hydration hair product, hydrating hair products. That's how I came up with that.
Almost halfway. Almost halfway. We got this, you know what I'm saying? We got this. Tourism is based on the north. On the north. We got Citadel, Sans-Souci, you know what I'm saying? Bataille de Vexia, everything.
That's not what you've been saying since yesterday. Okay, now watch this. Watch this. Watch this. What are those places?
Historic places.
Bingo!
Okay.
So stop right there. Stop right there. So now you trying to tell me that I'm gonna pay my ticket to go to Haiti to go take pictures with old buildings?
Yes. Yes. The Citadel is the biggest. Is the biggest sport in the West.
We party underground. Guys, like that, they party from 12 all to the next day. Noche Buenos. What big hotels you got? What big hotel you got?
I just wanted to thank you guys for all your hard work, all the hard work you're gonna be doing, so we could get all the rest of the orders out. We started at 1,300 on Friday. We're down to 700 and something. So I think we'll have all the sales orders out maybe by Wednesday, Thursday, because we have everybody today. So even the next half of the day, we should be able to get 100 and something out. So I just want to tell you guys thank you, and you guys know we always like to celebrate with food some way, somehow. So I wanted to order lunch for us. Thank you. And Kiki's leaving us for 2.5 months.
Oh my God.
So not cool. We're gonna miss her. We're gonna miss her, but Terrell and Chicago, where's Chicago? Terrell and Chicago came back. Our team crew is back together. So we're gonna have them for the summer. Yay! Thank you guys. Enjoy lunch.